Attracting new customers is a big challenge. That's why we created the RepairPal Certified Network, connecting millions of customers each month looking for trusted repair to high-quality repair shops like yours. Let's take a look at some of the product features that will help you optimize your business on RepairPal.com. Our easy one-way data connection allows us to show you value from various marketing channels and to provide you with surveys and other stats to help you run your business. Attract consumers with your shop profile. Make your listing stand out by highlighting what guests will love about your shop and include photos and video. Review and manage customer appointments through the RepairPal dashboard. Confirming appointment requests will automatically notify your customers by email and text and increase your conversion rate by 22%. Review inbound calls for quality assurance and to monitor conversion. Track the source of your calls and view transcript and billing information. Respond easily to customer reviews. Statistics show potential customers choose businesses with recent reviews, and those reviews help them decide whether to do repairs with shops like yours. And unlike some other review sites, our reviews only come from verified customers. Attract more customers, increase your average repair order, and boost customer loyalty with RepairPal, the largest trusted auto repair network. Learn more at RepairPal.com/shops.